today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a beautiful Instagram post with Canva. So let's get started. So just click here, just go to canva.com, and you can see here is a menu, templates, home, features, learn. Just go to Instagram post, click here, and as you can see here is lots of templates and lots of templates here. Just choose the one template, and I'm going to choose these templates. Here is the templates, and customize these templates. Click here, and here is a Instagram post design, and you can customize, you can change the fonts here, and you can change this icon, and you can change this icon color, and you can change this image. Just I'm going to choose different image from here, and just click on elements and search here. I'm going to search cows picture, cows, or I'm going to search beautiful cow. Just click the beauty cow, and I'm going to choose this image and drag and drop here, and as you can see the background is, I'm going to remove this background. Just select this image and go click here, edit this image, and click here VG remover. Just click here. You can see the processing. Just wait a second, just wait 10 to 20 seconds here. As you can see the beautiful pictures, and I'm going to resize this image. Click here and resize. So here is resize this image, and I just changing this font, this text, best fashion, and I'm going to change this color, this icon color, and click here and choose your favorite color, and I'm going to choose this color, and just click here and choose again this color, and again this color, and just change this font text, fashion and beauty, then fashion, style and outfits. Then I am going to change these fonts also. Just click here and choose your font. I'm going to choose this font here. As you can see the beautiful fonts, and I'm also changing this background color. This color is pretty good and I think it's better now. So just share, just click to share and click to download and select PNG, JPG or SVG, whatever you want. Just I'm going to select this JPG and size also this one and click here to download. And just I'm going to choose desktop and save here. So let me take a look. Beautiful pictures for Instagram. As you can see, the best Instagram post design. So I'm going to select another Instagram post design, go to home and click here the template and click here the Instagram post. And this is the best templates you can find here. You can find the best templates here. I'm going to select this one and customize this template. Click here and choose and you can change this text also. First of all, I am going to change this background images and search here. I'm searching here corporate images and I just click here this image, drag and paste it here, drag and drop here, and then changing this font and text. I'm going to change this text here, the leader, the best business for online, and I'm going to add some more text and make money online. I'm going to change this font color. Just select this font, yellow font, and click here and click the white color. You can see the template is pretty good, and I'm going to changing this address, for example .com. You can see the template here, and again go to and click here shares and click here to download, and you can select your needs. You can select whatever you want, and I'm just select JPG, and quality is good, large, and size is 180 by 180 pixels. So just click here to download. Just click the download icon and save this image on desktop. As you can see the beautiful another Instagram post here. So if you like this video, please please subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.